that. So I think that means you guys remember ENC. I would definitely, I would love to do a 5-second pose again. And no, I would love to, even if it was like a farewell reunion tour, but not like the Eagles or Kiss kind, where it's like the 5th time through, where we just kind of do it once and that's it. And Bug Sign Guy, whenever we go to Texas or wherever it is, yeah, I see you. Sign Guy. But I'd like to do, I'd like to team with him. I'd like to go against him. I'd like to, just get in there with him, because I really, really feel that he is so good right now. His work on ECW and what he did with guys night in and night out with very little experience, the guys that he wrestled, and the kind of matches he pulled off. Once again, being a fan of the industry, I was really, really happy and impressed that he was able to do that. And I just think him and I could, either as a team or against each other, do some really special stuff.
It would be great. Another person asked